Hi guys, we are Group 1 Triple C, talking to you about leadership styles. Autocratic leadership is the my way or highway type of leader. Autocratic leaders often view themselves like automobile engines that drive people under their command. They are the type of leaders who make all the decisions and prefer not to delegate any responsibility to their subordinates. It is mostly used across a wide spectrum of organizations, and it is popularly used in politics. So, in a normal business setting, where can you find this type of leader? People go to restaurants with big expectations. Whether it's a fast food chain or an upscale establishment, customers expect consistent service, well-mannered hosts, and efficient servers. Whether they order the combo burger and fries or a 7-course gourmet meal, customers expect nothing but having their food to be good and on time. That sounds like a Gordon Ramsay restaurant.
Bobby, yes. I'm looking for someone to take control of this disgusting, embarrassing mess.
Moving on to the second type of leadership style, laissez-faire leadership style. This is also known as the delegative leadership style. It allows group members or an individual to make their own decision. It focuses more on letting employees find their own way towards completing a certain task. Facilitating leaders trust that with the resources they offer, their employees are able to function independently. Only creative and knowledgeable workers fit for such a scenario. Biggest strength: if a team is made up of highly experienced and motivated self-starters, a laissez-faire leadership approach can prompt them to feel a greater sense of freedom and responsibility. Biggest weakness: it can actually delay critical decision making since the leader is usually not involved. We now move on to transactional leadership. This style works best with employees who know their jobs and are motivated by the reward penalty system. Whilst this leadership style can be used in almost all types of organizations, big and small, we have chosen the following 3 as our favorite picks for this OB Film Festival. 1. Farm workers, especially the famous thousands of seasonal fruit pickers who are mostly known to be either European and Western backpackers or largely Asia-Pacific region migrant workers. 2. Sales representatives. Most of the pop-up stores that we see at the shopping centers are manned by usually very energetic salesmen and women who approach us with a cheeky tagline like, "Hey, are you friendly?" And before you know it, you will be buying some cosmetic product or starting a sponsorship journey to save the world from human behavior. Number 3, and of course we all love our Aussie tradesmen. You may call them tradies, or specifically Sparky, Bricky, Tracky, Gabbo, and Chippy. And last but definitely not least, we now share with you about the world famous transformational leadership. The idea of transformational leadership style was first developed by James McGregor Burns and later on Bernard Burns, whereby leaders act as mentors and role models to their followers by encouraging learning, achievement, and individual growth. They contribute to employees' intrinsic motivation, providing a sense of purpose and meaning that can unite employees to achieve a common set of goals. There are 4 components that make up a transformational leader. 1. Individual consideration. This means a leader will listen, praise, and learn about hopes and dreams of each individual. 2. Idealized influence. This refers to charismatic actions of the leader based on values, beliefs, and a sense of mission. 3. Inspirational motivation. This means that the leaders articulate an appealing vision of the future, talk optimistically with enthusiasm, and provide encouragement and meaning of what needs to be done. 4. Intellectual stimulation. Instead of making decisions for their employees and telling them what to do, leaders stimulate new perspectives and innovative ways of problem solving. Transformational leadership style is good for organizations in need for transformation and work best in combination with transactional. As a parting shot, at Triple C, we believe that the most effective leaders switch flexibly among us the leadership styles presented tonight.